Are you ready to build a successful career with unlimited potential? Insurance sales may offer you the chance to not only earn a great income, but also make a real difference in people's lives. You'll help families protect their futures, achieve financial stability, and plan for the unexpected, all while building a business you can be proud of. With the freedom to grow at your own pace and tools to succeed, this is more than just a job. It's a pathway to success and honest fulfillment. If you're motivated and ready to take control of your future, download and grab this free guide. Your step-by-step guide to getting started in insurance sales. You'll find everything you need to know: how to get licensed, tips to set you up for success, and advice that every first-time agent should hear. This guide is easy to follow, packed with value, and it's yours with just one click. Start building the career you've been dreaming of. Download the guide now.